In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your balance on PayPal. Understanding your available balance on PayPal is fundamental to managing your online finances, whether you're making purchases, sending money to friends and family, or simply keeping track of your funds. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can quickly and easily find this information whenever you need it. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the PayPal website using your preferred web browser on your computer. Once you're on the home page, ensure you are logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials, which typically include your email address and password, to access your dashboard. It's always a good practice to double-check that you're on the official PayPal site to ensure your security. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to orient yourself on the main page. You'll usually see a navigation bar or menu across the top of the screen. This bar contains several important sections for managing your account. The first key step is to locate and click on the Wallet option. This Wallet link is your central hub for managing all your payment methods and financial instruments linked to your PayPal account. Think of it as your digital purse or wallet, where all your money sources and available funds are organized. On most desktop interfaces, Wallet is clearly labeled among other tabs like Summary and Activity. Click on this to proceed. After clicking Wallet, you'll be taken to a dedicated page displaying all financial details associated with your account. Here, your primary goal is to locate your PayPal balance. This will typically be displayed prominently, often near the top, showing the total money currently held within your PayPal account. This balance is readily available for your transactions, separate from funds linked directly to your bank account or credit cards, which process only when used. The PayPal balance section clearly indicates the currency and specific amount. For example, it might state, PayPal balance, $250 USD. If your balance is currently zero, it will typically display as $0. Don't be alarmed by a zero balance. This simply means you don't have funds directly stored there. Many users prefer to link external accounts and draw funds as needed, rather than holding a balance directly on PayPal. If you expect funds but see zero, consider that payments or refunds might be pending, or funds could have been automatically transferred to a linked bank account.